We're going to be having a bit of fun in the kitchen today with Simon Toohey. We're making smashed burgers.
Yeah, we are, with mushrooms.
Love mushies.
See, I know. So they've got that wonderful sort of like huge amounts of water, but umami and Maillard reaction when you fry them. And then we're going to bang them with a pan to get them flat.
Okay, it's very popular in America, smashed burger.
It is.
Super thin beef, but why not substitute it for stunning mushrooms like this? Because it works.
It does work, and it creates that texture, that meaty texture with all that flavour, and also celebrating plants.
Very nice. So what type of mushrooms are you using?
So you can use whatever you like, but portobellos, field mushrooms, you can go down the world of chestnuts. If you want to do like a slider, then you can use chestnut mushrooms, or that's right, like things like that. So the size really relative to the size of the burger bun.
Okay, great.
Now, it's a bit of fun. So burgers out, like we've got them, you know, which burger's got the thing underneath it. And we get our pan, and we just have a bit of fun. And you can give it to someone else if you like. How's your kitchen? Is it sturdy?
It's pretty sturdy.
There we go. There we go.
Wow, and it's not going to break up.
No, it shouldn't do. You'd be a little bit careful, but as it fries, it'll be fine.
Yeah, even if it does break a little bit, as it crispies up,
that's right.
What you want.
So you just keep going like that.
Good.
All the way through.
Yep.
And the last one.
Awesome. Love it.
See?
How great do they look?
Good fun now. You pass the oil. Let's fry these off.
There we go. A bit of safflower oil.
Yep.
A little drizzle. Nice hot pan for this.
Yes, hotter the better. We want to fry these off and then get a sizzle.
Cool. I was trying to work out how the smashing process would actually work for this, and it's worked brilliantly.
Yeah, it's a bit of a treat. It's a bit of fun.
Very nice.
So we're going to keep frying these, and we're going to be quite hard on these. Don't be afraid. You really want to get that golden, charry outside, and if you think you've gone too far, that's the perfect time.
Okay, great.
To help you do that,
Yep.
a little weight on top if you want.
Nice.
That's definitely a little trick.
Yep.
So, diced onion, because
Yes.
we want to prep everything up. We've got a few burger buns. We're going to steam those to get them nice and soft. I love a steamed bun.
Yep.
Big fan. So we've got a steamer going. And then we're basically going to make them.
Very
That's
nice.
it.
A nice, simple burger, really heroing those stunning mushrooms. Love it.
Yep.
Well, they're certainly crispy and flattened now, aren't they?
That's right, and colour on mushrooms are great, so you're going to get that crunch that you really want. So you can't have a burger without a bit of cheese, of course. We discussed this.
Yes.
We use plant-based, so that's up to you what you would choose.
Okay.
And we're doing 2, right? So, let's go maybe, let's be like this. Let's not go too crazy. Just 1 slice each. Now, a little trick
Yep.
to get that melting really fast. Touch of water, just a touch, and then a lid on. And just let that steam. So while that's steaming,
Yes.
let's jump onto our steamed buns.
Okay.
Hop, they're hot and they're soft. Pillowy goodness. Hop, ha, hoo, ha. So you know that sort of thing where you used to put bread in the microwave? It's kind of like really soft like that, isn't it?
I have to have a soft bun now when I make burgers.
Oh,
I don't like them
yeah.
toasted, I like them soft and
Me too.
steamed.
So sauces on your description, and then we'll go on to the bottom. Which is the bottom? There's the bottom.
Bottom.
Tomato at the bottom, mustard at the top.
Mustard at the top, okay.
I hope you like tomato sauce and mustard,
Oh,
because
I certainly do.
took it into my own.
And I'm going wild on the mustard.
Good. Now I'm going to take this lid off.
Okay. Oh,
Yep, see
great.
that?
That's good.
So before it goes too crispy, you want to layer them on top of each other,
Okay.
like so. And then I'm just going to go straight in on top of yours, okay? Hoppa.
There you go.
Melty, and all of that cheese is sort of melted into the cracks of
Yeah.
the mushroom.
Oh, you've got to have a double stack.
Double stack, right? And in fairness, I've done a 6 stack on this before.
Have you?
Yeah, so-
Well, because they're quite thin, you could actually go further if you really wanted
That's
to.
right, you really, really can. The idea is to try and get those ones with a skewer so it doesn't fall over.
Oh, yeah. Exactly.
Raw onions,
Yep.
you can go cooked if you want, but I actually quite like the sort of freshness of this. And a bit of heat in a raw onion, I
Yes.
really, really love.
Yep, great
Now, we
idea.
haven't seasoned yet, so just a touch of salt.
Yes. And you can put pickles on there if you like. You can put
pickle.
lettuce, tomato, but we're going that old school.
Smash burger.
Smashed burger.
There is no other option.
Oh, look at that. Ooh, squish,
Look
squish.
at that. Look at that. Nice and juicy, sort of dripping down the sides. Great on there. And let's cut this one open. Can I get a straighter knife? Because it's just, hopefully it'll make it more even.
Absolutely.
See the skill levels here. Oh, yes. Through the mushroom. Tender as. Guaranteed to have very tender mushrooms, aren't we?
Absolutely.
And then
Oh,
I organised that cheese melt bit there. I thought that through. We had
that's
a
hard to
discussion.
do. Oh,
Look at that.
cheesy goodness. And the mushrooms,
Yep.
perfectly smashed.
Perfect. Oh,
Give me some of that.
that's awesome.
That's really good. Mushroom lovers, you've just discovered the best burger ever. Smashed mushrooms, simple raw onions, mustard, tomato sauce, cheese of your choice. Yes, I love it.
I love that you love it. Thanks for having me, mate.
Cheers, the
Cheers.
best.